Hi, welcome to SolidWorks 2023 video tutorial. I want to do the next part for the 7-cylinder radial engine, the piston. Quite straightforward, quite simple. So let's have a look at the drawing. Here is the drawing, and you could make a screenshot of that drawing and then follow this exercise step by step if you want. So let's have fun with SolidWorks. In order to make it a little bit more interesting, I want to use two solids or bodies. So let's go for a sketch on the front plane. And I need a profile which looks something like this here. Let's try to snap as much as possible. Okay, now let's add a dimension. This should be 62. Let's see if we can align those as well. That's 60. No, not really. So let's undo that and align those first. So this one and that one should be collinear. Now this one and that one should be collinear as well. Same for these. This one and that one should be collinear. This one and that one should be collinear. And also this one and that one collinear. Now let's add some more dimensions. So this should be 6. Next one should be 8. This one should be 10. That one should be 12. This should be 17. This one should be 20. And altogether this should be 66. Great. Now let's add a last constraint here and change this one to 60. Finish that sketch. Let's make a revolve. That should be the rotation axis. Confirm. Hide that solid, at least for the moment. Now I need a sketch on the top plane. That will be a circle. Dimension should be 112. Finish that sketch and let's make an extrude. And this should be 15. And of course it doesn't merge because it's a new solid. Now another sketch on the top plane. I will need a slot. So go for a slot like this. Try to snap, yes, like that. Add dimensions, so this should be 55 and the radius should be 25. Then add one constraint from this point to that point like that. Finish that sketch and make another extrude. And it should be merged, yes, and the distance should be 60 millimeter. But not with a mid plane, blind, and confirm. Now one last sketch on the right plane. I need a circle. Diameter should be 15. Distance here should be 33. And those 2 points should be aligned vertical. Finish that sketch. Make another extrude. This time it's mid-plane, so it's symmetric. Go for 140 millimeters, and of course it should be merged. And now bring back that first solid. And let's go for a combine. So it seems this is kind of wrong. Let's check it out. Why? Where is that? That's the first boss extrude. Let's edit this one. So it's 15. Yeah, it's still mid-plane, so go for blind and 15 and confirm. Now it's okay. Now let's go for that combine, and I want to subtract from the main body that tool body and confirm, and I'm done. So I hope you liked it, hope it was helpful. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on Twitter, Facebook, GrabCat, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.